everybody. Today we have a good-sized Dollar Tree haul. I almost wanted to say Temu.
No. I have Temu orders that are on the way. I don't know when they'll get here. I've ordered things like a week or two ago from Temu, and their expected delivery is like the end of April, beginning of May. Does anybody else notice that? Like the shipping time is like tripled on Temu.
My hoodies.
Unless you get it from local warehouse.
Bro, I ain't even gonna be in school for my hoodie to get here.
Okay, first thing I got is from Smile, S-M-Y-L. It's tropical watermelon floss picks. 35
I need
floss
one.
picks. And they also have them in mint.
Are those like ginger?
I think so.
Watermelon.
That's why I got them, because they're watermelon. Taste anything?
Mm-mm.
I get no watermelon. They do not taste like watermelon at all. You taste any?
But I have taco meat in my mouth.
No watermelon. So I don't know what the watermelon is. It's just the case, I guess. I got this Gummy Bear Lip Sleeping Mask with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E from Global Beauty Care. They also had a mango one. They had another one.
Banana.
Grape. Berry. I think the mango one was like yellow, and then one was like a pinky color. Oh.
I loosened it.
It is like a big packaging for like a tiny little thing. I love the color of it though. It is a glass container. Still has the stopper thing. Ooh, it's very like thick looking. Like it's not on here at all. This is just like not even touching the product. Okay, so it's not as thick as I thought. It is pretty. Soft.
Is it good?
It tastes like not gummy bears. Some kind of bubble gum, I think.
Oh, it's the duck. It's the duck.
The duck. What duck?
The duck gum.
Duck gum.
The duck gum.
Duck gum?
I think it's called Yummy Yum.
Duck gum?
It has a duck on it. With the. It's like the pink packaged. Shiny pink package.
Double bubble?
No.
Like the bubble yum?
Yeah, bubble yum.
That's what it tastes like. It's like bubble yum. There's a duck on it?
Yes.
Is there?
Yes.
Okay.
After this, search up bubble yum.
I got this 10-piece little claw clips. They're like little bows.
Oh, God.
And they're like that soft matte plastic that I love. Thought they would be cute in Lunicorn's hair. These are Swedish Fish Minis. Swedish Fish. Strawberry watermelon glow ups with edible confetti that glows under black light.
I know where a black light is. Unless I moved it.
What they look like? They don't look very special.
Let me see.
They're black light. What is it? It's not glow in the dark. It's glow. It's just like.
Yeah, they do. I was trying to test it for. It's good
You
for.
can't really see it.
I mean, you gotta think it's in a fish.
I mean, you can kind of see it right there.
Yeah,
I don't really see the point of it, but okay.
it's cool. Well, they had Pop Rocks in them because they're
Taste one.
good. They smell really.
These are
good.
mine.
No, if they're good, then
They are very good. Our edible confetti contains turmeric extract, which gives it its fun glow. Hint, you can't taste it. They're really good.
No, I love you.
They also had Sour Patch Kids. Glow in the dark Sour Patch Kids. Well, they were like the glow and black light confetti. Sour Patch.
These are
They're really good.
10 out of 10. Got these before.
We've got these before.
No, we just saw them on Twisted Gypsy. Yeah, that's it.
Lucky Charms Magically Delicious Marshmallows.
Twisted Gypsy's got these a few times if you go watch her.
I guess they're just regular marshmallows. With the fun shapes.
These are Mike and Ike's, and they are cotton candy flavor.
They look so like vintage.
They do.
Like even like this part is like aged looking around the edges. I love the look of that. Like this is something that Crafty Girl, she's on YouTube. She would pick up for the packaging for junk journaling. Junk journaling.
Junk journaling.
Yeah. Because she uses packaging a lot for junk journaling. Hopefully they're good. I don't really like Mike and Ike's.
I always thought that Mike and Ike's just had to be spicy.
Those are the worst ones. I got these Coastal Bay shark gummies and blue raspberry. They look like they have like sour coating on them. They don't say sour though, so I'm hoping it's not.
Probably a sugar coating.
Hopefully. I've been looking for the little blue sharks that taste like the blue sharks that I used to get when I was a kid.
Smell them. They smell like a sock. They smell like a sock. Like a sweaty sock.
They have like a bit of sour, but not much.
I don't like them. Do you?
They're so still
They
not
taste
the-
like shampoo.
I like them. Those are really
They're
good.
not like the ones that I had when I was a kid. I can't find those. Like they've changed them completely or something.
Can I try that Kinder Egg? I've been dying for one of those.
I got some of these candy bracelets. You get 12. They're just the Easter candy bracelets. I got them for the kids' parties at school.
Kinder Egg.
Is her name Ferdinand?
I don't know. I doubt it.
I'm probably thinking somebody named. Bro, I know something named Ferdinand.
You're not.
Give me my girl Smurf back. You got Smurf back.
These are going in
Easter
things.
baskets.
I don't need an Easter basket.
Okay, kill it.
You would get in an Easter basket.
You can't grow up and lose all the fun.
Well, it's so fun sitting there yearning for it and making myself so sad.
Okay, I found these Smurfs Chico Surprise. They look just like the Kinder,
Boy.
Wait, they're
Things.
not Kinder Eggs.
but they're not. Licensed through Lafig, Belgium.
Wait, they're not Kinder Eggs?
But they're Smurfs, and they have different ones. So we have
Cocoa
this
Surprise.
one,
Oh, I want Papa Smurf.
Papa Smurf, Smurfette.
I want.
I want her.
And
Wait, what's this one?
there was another girl that I just dropped.
Oh,
You're old.
Bro, this one?
No, it's not. How's it old? 2026?
I said 2025.
No, it doesn't. February 2026. Where's that one? Oh, and this girl. I may have had another one. I don't know. I just
want
got
him.
4 different
I
ones.
want the other one.
You know, my 4 girls. Want Papa Smurf?
I don't want Smurfette.
Smurfette.
Oh, then I want Papa Smurf. Right now?
Go ahead. Go and say what's in it. It doesn't really say. Cocoa and milky spread with cocoa coated crisp rice. So do you not get a toy?
I didn't.
I have something.
It's okay, I didn't want it on my butt.
I got something.
Really? Lindsay didn't get a toy. Hers is just empty.
Mine was like half open too. On that part was. I bet somebody stole it
Probably.
It's just a magnet.
and like put it back together.
Is it a magnet? Oh, so it's just like this little cheap paper magnet. Lindsay's has been stolen.
And my glue on, bud. Yeah, you can open that. Thank you. Oh.
Okay, so maybe these aren't worth $1.25.
Look, it's so lame.
I can open it. They don't open easily at all.
If it tastes good, it's freaking worth it. I love these things.
What does it look like? It looks good. So now one for Cam and Nuna. Next. I got these breakfast sandwich peanut butter things. There's 5 packs. They're like a
Heck, I
Cookie
call that
like-
worth it.
this big. And there's like 2 cookies with peanut butter in the middle. The ones that I got before were almond butter, but I've not seen them, so I just picked up peanut butter. I like them whenever I just want something to snack on. Is it good? Next. This is also for their parties. It is the Sweet and Sours. Sweet and Sours mixins, over 35 pieces. You get sweet and sour juicy candy, fruity chews, tiger pops, and bonbon filled lollipops. Fruity chews, sweet and sour juicy candy. That says the same thing over again. But yeah, it's just a mix of different candies.
She got 2 of these.
Parties, and then I got
2 of
2 of these, which are just gummy bunnies.
I call her pretty worth it.
18 pieces in here. They're from that Amos brand that gives you like the pillars and everything. And the like 40 gummies.
Red 40.
These are Raindrops freeze-dried lemon bursts. Crunchy, tasty, irresistible. So hopefully they're better than the other freeze-dried Skittles that they had.
Wait,
Wait, you got
Dollar
them.
Tree?
Yeah.
Do you have pierogies?
No.
No. I'm a sucker.
Lemon heads.
I'm a sucker for freeze-dried things, okay? I recommend these. These are good.
Better than the Skittles. The Skittles were not even barely freeze dried. They were still chewy and everything. These are good.
I just don't like freeze-dried Skittles, like, in general.
I think the freeze dried gummy worms are my favorite.
I don't like the gummies because they, like, turn into gummies.
Or no, the Jolly Ranchers.
You don't like
Oh,
these?
yes.
Jolly Ranchers. Because I want the ones that was like my childhood and I can't find them.
Oh, I forgot how they're not like punch you in your face. Blue raspberry.
So that's what I want is punch me in my face, blue raspberry, like when I was little. This is Warhead's Sour Popping Candy Extreme Bunny Berry. And it is a bonus 4-pack.
Bunny berry?
I got these for the girls for their Easter baskets. I guess I got 3 packs of these gummy bunnies. I got hers game day, the barbecue pulled pork chips. They've been smushed in the bin. But Elena wanted more of these, so I got her some. What she call them, sloppy joes.
But they are!
And I got some of the espresso raisins. These are really good. And then I got the regular.
Think about me, with that sweet, I guess so. So you can't sleep, baby, I know that's the me espresso.
So I got regular and the espresso. And then I got another pack of these stuffed puffs, cookies and cream filled marshmallow bites for Luna because she loves them. Filled with chocolate cookie flavored cream. They're pretty good, but they're like extremely, extremely sweet. I got 2 packs of these 2-pack treat buckets. I think these are the only design. I don't know. They may have had another design. But I just got these to put their little like candies and stuff in. I need to get their Easter baskets and stuff out of the building. This is from Be Pure. It's a daytime repairing hair mask, smooths and softens, powered by argan oil. It's like a whole pouch of repairing hair mask. So you keep it in.
But that still wouldn't be enough for my hair.
Dampen hair and apply mask from root to ends. Leave in hair for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse out. Use weekly. And I think they had a nighttime one also. I don't remember.
Pick some.
Excellent. Got 2 packs of the Idahoan buttery homestyle mashed potatoes.
Ooh, no, I don't want this. Thank you.
One of the like 3 foods Lindsay eats. I've been seeing this go around, like people call it it's Bermuda Blue Citrus. It's like a dupe to something.
Look, all 3 foods that I eat together.
This is what she eats. Like this is the only foods that she eats.
I'm so happy.
She got 2 of them.
In-wash fragrance booster, long-lasting freshness.
I smelled them, but it's so hard to get open, but they smell good.
It smells really good.
Yeah.
But I saw people haul like laundry detergent and stuff too. But this is all that I've seen in my stores, so I don't know if it's just like going really quick if they get it, or if they just
Or
not
they
bought it.
didn't even.
Laundry detergent. Their laundry detergent's in their boxes. I know because I like the.
Elena wanted this Spa Essentials Glow Niacinamide Serum for brightening and toning. They've had this like a few times. They keep restocking it. They have like the green one and what's the other one? Purple. There's one that
Purple,
smells.
green, and
There's one that smells like rose.
yeah, one is rose, one is like watermelon, and that one's like citrus.
Yeah, this one's like citrusy, and then the one that I use is like a cucumber watermelon or something. I don't know.
The purple is yours.
They have,
But I use mine. The one that I use it every single morning.
they have like plump and smooth, hydrating, and like glow, like toning.
Glow. I got the glow.
I got this berry scented bath fizzer. Fill up your bathtub with warm water and drop the bath fizzer in the water.
Oh, I thought that was a bath one.
It is, I guess.
Well, bath
Technically. Just a little donut.
Think about me. Think about me.
I got this Bubble Jug Tropical Fruit Bubble Gum. Is this like the ones we got before?
I think it was different flavors.
Y'all showed these. Oh, why are they warm?
Okay.
Then I found this Double Bubble Bits and Pieces Bubble Gum. It's just like little rock pieces. And you can like open it in this little spot right here.
This tastes like you're eating a flower.
Oh yeah, here's a nighttime hair serum. I know I've seen one. This is overnight hydration treatment for all hair types. For bedtime, apply a small to medium amount of serum to hands depending on your hair thickness and run through from mid to ends of hair. Can be used on dry or damp hair. I guess you don't rinse it out, you just leave it. It's sealed where I'll smell it. Then I found this Glow Sparkling Hydration Spicy Watermelon. They had another one. I can't remember what it was though. It seemed like it was mango something. That's why I didn't get it. Spicy watermelon.
Wait, I thought you didn't like Vanilla peach. I don't know. I guess it was mango that you don't like.
I don't like mango. But I love watermelon. However, I got this at Dollar Tree just a little bit ago. It is Starbucks Iced Energy Sparkling Energy Drink, and it's watermelon twist. I will not be finishing this. I'm trying. Like, I get a hint of watermelon, but it's like,
Sour?
no, it's not sour.
Oh, zero.
Can you taste the energy in it?
It doesn't taste like an energy drink. It doesn't have that energy drink taste. But it tastes like, I don't know, like tea or tobacco or something. It has some like aftertaste that I do not like.
So it's like the Red Bulls. Miranda, she gets like Red Bulls every day. And every single day I look at the McNeil's and I try them. And they've all got
They're
that
like
like
good.
distinct, almost like beer tasting aftertaste to them.
It stinks.
That's like the energy drink.
It does stink.
That does?
Yeah. Like, but you have to just like sniff for a little.
I don't smell it, but it tastes like tobacco or tea or something. Like there's like a weird aftertaste. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge to get cold before I try it. It's spicy watermelon. It has peppers and watermelon on it. So it has me intrigued. Hopefully it's better watermelon flavor than that. I got this LA Colors lip balm, shea butter lip balm, sheer transparent, sheer nude is the color. They had like 4 different colors.
Also, I got pixie sticks, like a whole bag of pixie sticks. Put it in there. Oh, that's a pretty color. It's like clear pink glossy. It looks like it would be hydrating.
Oh, it stinks.
I don't smell nothing. It's basically just like a tinted clear. I don't smell it.
Maybe that's not what it is. Maybe it's something else. It smells like an old lady. I don't know. I don't really. Like, I don't smell it on there. I don't know, but there's something that I just got to smell of. It smells like an old lady.
Hold on.
Is it me? Do I smell like work?
Kind of.
I smell like cigarettes, probably. Ugh. Yeah, this has like no color, really.
But it does,
Like
wait,
very,
is it hydrating?
very light.
Is it hydrating? Because it looks like really good on your lips.
Like, it looks like it has like the slightest hint of color, maybe.
Yeah. But when I'm like right here, I can definitely see pink. But like on
I
there.
really like it. I don't think that's what that smell is.
It's not.
I don't know what that smell is.
Oh.
Oh, no. I found this Nightmare Before Christmas whisk. That's Jack Skellington. Like, this is just random. I think they had a Mickey Mouse one also.
Mickey Mouse?
Jack Skellington and Mickey Mouse. It's from Disney. So, yeah. What are you doing?
Stretching.
Is this the last thing?
Yeah.
Okay, last thing is these playing cards. They are just Garfield playing cards. Like, a while back, they had a box that had different playing cards in it. And I think I got 2 or 3 sets then. I don't remember what they were. I think The Office, maybe.
You got The Office, yeah. You have
It
like
feels like they...
The Office and
Is that you? Did you put deodorant on?
no.
I smell.
Maybe it's that. Maybe it's that one.
Did you put this on?
No. Maybe it's that one perfume you put on. Because you were in the car. You put some. I don't smell anything.
It smells like an old lady's perfume or something. Or deodorant, like old lady's deodorant.
Well, no.
I just keep getting a whip.
Is it that? Yes, it's that.
I think it may be this.
It's definitely that. If you're smelling old lady, that is it.
It's this. Berry scented.
Berry scented.
So these are Garfield playing cards. And they look really cool. They have like really cute pictures on them that say different things.
Read one. We'll read this one since it's open.
Eat, sleep, dance. Eating well is the best revenge. Cats roll, dogs drool. Normal people scare me. Have a nice day. And then the back is just Garfield smirking. Well, pointing at himself.
Wild smirking.
They had another set. Like, they were about out again. Like, all they had was Garfield and like 1 pack of something else.
And this ain't no
Friends
powder.
or something. I don't remember.
This is supposed to be the powdered gum. Or like
I don't think it's powder. Shake and chug. Tropical. See, this one doesn't say it's powder. It says bubble jug. I feel like this one was different than the one that we got last time.
Mm-hmm.
The one we got last time was like a sour powder. This one is not. So this one's different. Where'd my house shoes go? Get my house shoes. How'd you get my house shoes on?
That's when I said I was stretching and I took them.
You don't gotta wear my house shoes. But that's it from the Dollar Tree. I gotta find that smell. I don't think it was that because it still smells more like
Smell this then. Is it that?
maybe.
Because this stuff tastes like a flower.
It smells kind of flowery or powdery, like a powder too. Maybe it's your room. Do you have a candle or something going?
Then it's this, Mom. Taste it. Taste this. This is a flower.
Anyway, that's it. Anything you have to say?
Nope.
Nope.
That me espresso.
I guess that's it. Thank you for watching.
Please like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.